What is up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be working on the Fiesta flipping project. We're going to start doing a lot more flipping projects. We're going to aim to try and get one done at least every week. That's for Connor in the background because he's doing hand movements. You can't just stand there like a plank and be like, so today guys, we're going to be working. It don't work! You ready?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to go to a scrapyard. We need some rear seats for the Fiesta, also some front seats possibly if the pattern's different, but we're going to go and see how much they are. We've got then going to look at some other bits on the Fiesta as well, try and get that finished and get that gone.
Stop it! Connor, what are you doing? Paul! Heave! Jack's back! Get the fuck off! Heave! I don't want to smash my window!
No, I don't want to smash my window. Well, at least we know it's smash. It makes for good content.
Curtis,
Yeah.
all I can say is Rusty Autos professionals.
Ain't it? Nothing but professional at Rusty Autos, clearly. Wait, watch it, my car. You'll fuck my car up. Oh, now look at it. You need to iron that out when you get home. Oh, whoops, I'm zoomed in.
It's not, you know. I think it does with it.
Oh my lord. Why don't we just get rid of both of the VXRs? Come on then.
If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me the green light. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me a sign.
What's up?
Right, so we're at the scrapyard. Connor and Jax ran in front. We are allowed to record a few bits, but we've got to make sure we don't catch any redges and stuff in the recording.
So that means all this will just be blurred.
Yeah. So nice of them to actually let us record, because some companies don't. But we're after the honestly Fiesta seats, so they've got one in. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and quickly have a look at that now and see if it will fit. If it does fit, we're not bothered about the same pattern. We can just switch it and have a new pattern basically. So we'll see what comes up. Quickly pan round, show people. There's a few little cars here. This is just the side, but the main scrapyard's obviously over there. But we found a Mark 6 Fiesta.
Ew.
So it's got all the seats in it, all working, perfectly fine.
And Jack.
We found a jack in here. Connor's
gone.
He's walking backwards and forwards.
Subwoofer.
No, that's not subwoofer.
Oh, subwoofer.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go and see how much he wants for these. Obviously we're not going to record him on camera because some people aren't that comfortable on camera, so we'll go and ask him what he wants for him and then we'll see what happens after that. But there's a few cars in here, you never know, there might be the next flip car in here as well.
Whoa, what's he? Connor's thinking about getting the Land Rover.
Rusty Land Rover. So we just found a 5-door Fiesta. Now the seats in these don't actually fit very well. However, if you remember, we are missing this intake. So, train coming by.
Train!
We may offer him a little bit of a thing for that, just so that's another thing off the list. Jack's now up there checking a polo for whatever reason. Not going to tell you. So we spoke to the man in question, but he wanted literally way too much. He wanted like 100 quid for the seats, but on eBay they're a lot cheaper. So we're going to go through eBay, I think, see if we can get some more, but we're going to head back to the unit now and have a gander at what's happening with the Fiesta and what else we can fix. Connor's looking suspicious in the corner, so we're going to go. So, back at the unit, this is a different day. We are doing a few other bits. We're still going to be checking on the Fiesta and a few other stuff that we can actually fix. But right now we're just doing some bits on this Golf R. Just dechroming the front. He's already purchased the dechrome strips. We've also got some bits that we're going to put on the side as well, which says Golf R. They go down at the bottom of the door. And we're also going to wrap the mirrors in a gloss black. So we'll get right to that, and I don't know what Jack's doing. What's Jack doing?
Going for a fag?
No, he's not going for a fag.
So back with right, so back with the Fiesta. Got to put his cap on, if required. Curtis took it.
Yeah,
and
sure.
got to do the auxiliary belt. Show him, Curtis.
This one down here. What's the auxiliary belt do?
It drives the alternator, turn the power steering pump, and sometimes the aircon pump is this here.
It's a bit dark.
Can you see that?
Ooh,
Can you see it?
I can see it.
Can you see it now?
They can see it.
It's there, look.
That one down there.
Yeah, it's all cracking.
That one down there, look. Yeah. And what else you got to do?
No, that is it.
Yeah?
Why confuse me?
I've not confused you. I'm asking you what we're doing.
Auxiliary belt and a cap.
Well then, that's it. That's it. So what we've got here, Rusty?
Mirror caps. Awkward as... Yeah, we'll leave it at that. Connor. Very nice. Basically, when they're off the car, it's 10 times harder to wrap. So Connor's holding it, so I can actually like pull on the vinyl rather than it slide all over the place. I'm sure you look like you got
It's because I slipped with a very sharp knife.
Silly boy.
Safety first. Well, we're going to crack on with these, get both of these mirrors done, and then we've got some side decals done. We've already dechromed the front of the Golf R as well as the bottom. There were some pre-prepared bought strips, and they've just gone straight on. So let's crack on with this.
So, nearly finished there?
Very nearly finished. Just got to sort a few corners out, a few edges. Well, a lot of people, when they're doing, a lot of people when they're doing mirrors, they forget about the top bit around here. Just ignore it, it needs tidying up a bit, but this top bit here actually shows on the car, believe it or not. And a lot of people actually leave that out. They forget to actually wrap it down there. Some people do it and then they put it on the car and then all you see is the silver like lip here. It don't look very nice at all. So make sure if you are doing this, wrap it fully all the way around. So the mirrors on the Golf R are now done, changed into gloss black, which make it pop a lot better than the chrome does. I'm personally not a fan of chrome, but you can see how much the gloss black changes it. Now looking at the inside as well, you can see that you've got to do inside the lip. If you don't, then that's going to be visible, and you'll still and you'll still see a lot of silver. What I'm doing now is I'm just putting the strips on the side of the car. These are some Golf R like decal strips. They literally run full length. They sit on top of this ridge and match up just here somewhere. So we're going to apply them loosely to begin with and to make sure they're all sitting where they should be, and then we're going to stick them all down. One side's now done. Looks absolutely awesome. It's good that the cutout for the R on this edge is actually not white, it's actually sky clear. Looks really good. So now all we've got left to do is crack on with the other side. Then that's this car done. Jack's still outside working on that auxiliary belt, or is under the car, and we've lost him. So that's this Golf R done, mirrors done, side decals and the front splitter, the chrome bit, all dechromed. We're going to show you a little montage of this now, like a little cinematic, so enjoy. Jack's been out here sweating himself off in this sunlight. How does it feel to actually be working outside, Jack?
Nice in this weather.
Yeah, well, it's a bit hot, isn't it?
Like it.
But auxiliary belt's changed down here. Nah, that's done. Washer cap's done. We've checked this power steering fluid leak down yonder, and it seems that we actually need a new pipe. So again, Scrapyard, if we'd have known that before we went, we should have got one ideally. Also intake, again, we need that. So what we're going to do is probably head to a different scrapyard, see if they've got some more Fiestas, see if we can get the interior and all that stuff for a lot cheaper. Again, the £100 was a bit steep really when there's a lot cheaper on eBay. You can get the ST seats with the leather inside for like 125, 130 quid, so another 30 quid you could have leather. So you can get them a lot cheaper, so that's what we're going to do. Jack's going to go to KFC now, 20 hot wings, $5.99, as you do. But also while we're here as well, raffle's still going ahead.
Okay.
When this goes live, there's probably going to be about 50 tickets sold. Again, the 400 tickets isn't the final thing. There's not going to be exactly 400 tickets, as long as it makes enough as what the VXR is worth. The 400 tickets was just a base point, that wasn't the actual number that we're going to sell them to. So as soon as we get to a point of what the VXR is worth, we're going to give you guys like a week's notice and just say, look, there's a week left, if you want to buy some tickets, there's some extra ones there. But that, like I said, that is just a reference point. So again, the first 20 people that bought tickets, I will be emailing you about a t-shirt as well. You will receive them once the raffle's ended, so remember that. If you want to know where to get them, it's rustyfat.co.uk down here or in the description as well. Just follow that, you can buy as many tickets as you want. So with regards to this Fiesta, it has took us a while just because we've had some issues with it, which we're not going to go into. That was previously, so this has took a while to get it done, but from when this is finished, we're going to be smashing out flipping projects as much as we can. We may be working on 2 or 3 at a time. We're going to try and limit them videos to like 5 videos per car, so you guys see a lot of footage in one video. There may be 20-minute videos, there may be half-an-hour videos, some might even be 10-minute videos, but we'll see how much work's done. We'll also probably be recording the process of getting the car at the same time, but who knows what we're going to get next. You never know, you never know. If you like that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're new to this channel, check out our other videos.